Ebusa for high GC news. Mema Ubibia Akwaba. Ahadi latest hot nkwa era mini bremo. Enuti so nya subscribe to channel idea bomodia say obe subscribe. Gabby add say obe click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification, no. We had a video for be upload, no. When the first person what's ebeka sa video. Afi we are na like video, no. Give us a thumbs up na fi. Share my or for so that when you be here now and some do na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memoanum afi tentemo imbura ye semwa abeto yepuno so mumayiti sa report ya ababetu mumayiti asemi
because they say vigilante groups all over with weapons.
When say Lance Minister call a press conference be no kase some of the forest na ya wono aye no go area for even the military and the police.
So we ya ka.
And you ma Akufo Addo ma hihye wo kwaye mu no. Hwe as far back as I think 2015 2016. When him say o ka mi bogo so story no.
Yeah.
Me ne Michael Ampon no.
Yeah.
Say nyese e bi akwabna military training a sabio na me ye armed. Ena me ko nwura ni mu a kwabra nko mu kunye. I would have been a goner. These same people who orchestrated, they say, "Oh, my be me now for no." Oh, me happy before. Akufo Addo buy no, or Pamo Munina free quiet him, and of course, an call for under the guise of your friends and community mining. And Akwano Bako Atakra, Usuya, to no credit. They say one other campaign manager, Madoma Bogosuho. Akufo Addo titi ekueku nkete
serious
Bawumia so wo baaye no wo inherit ade ne kama
serious
and omo wo kwaye nim
serious
enyoma ekoso entokwa ekoso kwabra sometimes I don't want to create
serious because that initially some of us na ye gidi say MDC winning you know. For the first 3 months, they should go brutish on the FPP boys.
That is why.
Because then they say they almost say back room.
Yeah.
Almost say back and they say
integrity.
And then me police penny be high intelligence. And then I catch them and say, Kwabena, say ya ya a free this time no. And near me be koso Ghana street muno. Because now Afenyo boys no more name. They are talking to them. They are talking to them. But I say no, and this, you know, I say, as all can be brass or percassar, I wouldn't name their walker. And he may an Americano. Sana 2015, 2016, from 2012, okay, I said, but then we are on top of it. And then we are on top of it. After the we are normally say Baba Kamara. Say Baba Kamara now betray JM. Now say, I know the you are Baba Kamara.
You can't leave that out.
That there be, and yes, you can, yeah. Say ya de near was system no mudana. Baba Kamara issue no na makosia Baba Kamara e wo JM fear mama kobo Baba Kamara din. Even with that one they did not believe it.
They wouldn't. They wait till
because Baba Kamara was dealing through a year Edu. A Santa Baron.
Yes.
And Santa Baron was my guy. Santa Baron to a yes Samuel Kulan Cruiser. Santa Baron and a day South Africa for movement and a McDonald on a yes on a map South Africans.
South Africans, yes.
Santa Baron or shuttle.
Yes, South Africa.
Tambo Bay Airport.
Yeah.
And she Santa Baron no yes Adiano. One Santa Baron a Kwaji Bawumia office in 2014-2015. And he Baba Kamara yade no some of us we saw it na me ko JMFA not cantonment ano me ko to Baba Kamara ofio na me ko resist abo Baba Kamara anim still o man je ni ya to aba wie ya afede o mo se Baba Kamara na me se na nya asem no na me ba fie be ka kire mu Mogabi su ko sia Baba Kamara no kokonto kwama Mogabi catch Baba Kamara so the sabe wonani because ye dey yet street ni mu ni ye hu de kra Baba Kamara eye afedi to abawie yom say Baba Kamara na adechi onu ani nua na am say na nya ade we na ye baba ka kire mo se ade ababa kamara na MPP fo no eye ni oh se ase enti wo hu bibi kura wo hu se
na da bi se kura ko hu bibi na wo ka wo fie ne se wo ko ka me asa akote to se bobi abeka sese wo ye sei
adi
oh me hu party wo wi ase a ni nyansa Ato Forson to say because sometimes no I quite say NDC no omo person be more Catholic than the Pope, holier than thou.
The way
Okokan Afenyo
the way Afenyo the boys ni backroom omo do omo backroom no
demonstration awokoye no macho man no de ne dey
dangerous oh serious oh
pede e wa unu akatachi so ye demonstration awokoye macho men and odidi na chi na odi nam kro hooliganism
galamse boys na omo asese omo backroom
yes
but
mummy enkoka say ye fight against galamse and so ye an ye too
but
anyway, ba no akata wani
because say if we have a group we have a group omutimi ko ba bi kum Ghana fo nsia egu asase so serious
it's serious
Asimasi Friday no
aye easy
yes
ba ko pe
aye din sa no matese say we CID department no aye press conference on it. Unfortunately I say my production crew want me and follow right anyway so
it would have been better
yeah but man for so anyway but it's media
it's very dangerous
media pa what we are seeing no
very
enipa no so a youth organizer at Net2 TV so Net2 TV a culture say for 4 years no they will make Ghana ungovernable and this foolish boy is walking around on Namzongo throwing his weight about on asem no ka enka o hwe so a enhwe so unhunu se yedin o ko anu tumo o de di akire saa o o de yedin na pebidio just unhu I exactly what and no one say yeah unhu say yedin now de obi kan pebidio say kasa say you don't know exactly what and one say o hwe na ye de bebre so a obi kan na ho akoye hi wanya atamfo ene but
asemo
because look this says guys me yaw enya oni honto a enra na menim
oh
mo boss no anopai me da ho ena emutu abusuafo sha ase se omo ne me kasa so what we say a community terrorism complete oh terrorism no obi free Niger no aba no obi free Mali about no aka say ma set counter terrorism can e be atisi baby a community. So if you don't watch the community terrorism well, Charlie,
it's serious.
And especially when you are dealing with these guys. Well, you see, Shelly, Sadia when a yana moka, a yana Shelly, men pessaminu benya asem. Because a young crisis, some now cano. You are closer to Kofi Buachi. Why don't you tell Kofi Buachi? Kofi Buachi also bomb.
No, but I think that is rather a complimentary. You say
no. Listen to me, Mame. Let me finish. Aya asema aya mokano. Aya asema na aya motrabonte kano. Inti me ye newsman na me makwa ko hu ade aya kum ni pensia no. Just me drive ko Kofi Buachi fie ko bona amane. Me so microphone I shouldn't talk about it.
No. That is that the point.
That is the point. And obia obet and this for no obia or no bedin ko obia or na dwenya adwuma bet test obia asema ka no. And they are just young cano abonting. And the Yakum Nipensia.
Is that what people are saying?
Bekai, go ahead. Say one Timmy. Yakum Nipensia Guasasso. And the kind of things we are seeing. Now go watch no community, I mean, echo. Meaning Grovo no Missia.
So, Kwara, I was ending.
There be that identity and for Kofu watching in Ankao. Oh, you are bong.
No, I was.
No, say.
No,
Onka ho.
Eka ho.
There be onka ho.
Onka de ho.
Onka ho security ho.
Onka ho.
Now I have idea baby.
Onka ho. But I was ending on something. Say, you see, because of what Akufo Addo was doing, you know, it also brought up another very new and very weird dimension of the Ghana Police Service that was into terrorism. Emma, we raised some of the issues, some of them because of how classified they were, no? And how we didn't want them to degenerate into the controversy of and all these things. If you remember
deal with
case,
community terrorism
yes.
first. Deal with community terrorism. You see, now the situation at hand, no. How me share videos from Aswansene other places where area boys are active group or A2 enubone sosa till. Now, somebody called me last week from one of the Zongos communities. Boys no moton hard drugs no. Atagete omwe nuanom ne omo Zongo communities no omkobubu omo drug adan no. Omo target womo. That they want to fight them and kill some of them. Last week, somebody sent me a message and a video tape from your friend is a central region. Almost what they say. So my point is, why should you leave security in the hands of the citizens?
And Sasini, when you're my bit media, it is Obia to Ambaya Sasia, Nipacono Toy, and Kojo Kyeremanteng. You have to hold him accountable. Okay. This is so. They have all run to parliament because of immunity. We must hold them answerable. 20,000 Ghana cedis.
AU village.
Yes. They were selling land for 20,000 Ghana cedis. And no crap on the panagy and so I went here. It is a buying and to me a committee. Obetimi ahwehwe aban saasi biye wo Ghana ha biye mu dia kodia ankra fo nsem ne nyoma aban no ebedu baabi no na waye failure. What you say? Oh, it does not matter whether it's gone to into a private hand or not. What matters most and say yebehu say okay na saasi we your mine dia a free your mine nsa akodi nipa we nsem nipa no otwa sen or de je asase ne free your mine nsem. If it has not been fair, then the best to do is to take the land back from Nipano, back to the chest of the government. Se abane ntimi anye se adwuma no. Na se abane ye hwe han mankofo fa aban sase. Na ankrankre fa aban sase a. De ebe wiase no, ebekwa akosia ne se aban no enso so abo omo fa ankrankras aban asase ankrankro omo fa aban asase na chidom ama omo bu oman na faso senra na enya enenya ejina de omampani John Dramani Mahama akaso se ono wo ye ne government appointee po na wo koton aban asase na wo to aban asase a obeyi wadi asa prosecute wankaso obeyi wadi keke o so obeyi wadi asa prosecute code of conduct ewum what you say entino enioma esi Akufo Addo penso no e wo say ye nyina ye kan hu bom as a unit Ghana entino the republic versus no na yetimi chase after all these enioma ayira asase untimi who say there were many times that I kept recounting say obi eni obetimi abobo asase ahye ni botom asase ukoto aban asase a at best what to wa fa ho in some instances we see dan say ye ba na edan na esi so no ye calculate aban no asase ne bo na ye nya quantity surveyor na otimi calculate say edan we esi so nso ne bo ni na say wontimi ntua aban asase ne kan wie ya e wo se etimi fa aban timi fa wo dan no e de tika we anya dia ne ye den obi ani wa fa aban asase de ahye ni botoma o se ayira da bia nyira aye obi na wode kwati kwan so aye den afa se developer here. And you know, you can just take it back to the chest of the government because of your own. Ayana ebinum ewo adwenya emu otia. Me who how to say does not decide, and I'm talking about the John Dramani Mahama government. Does not decide. Say, me research means that the Abaya Shreno, I will say back to Abaya. Then we have no business being in business in government.
But unim say listo say change of government ama ka airport is as besan. Aside asa let's say NDC never be reclaiming.
Yes, Macdan the year can you?
Yeah, 2023.
Kofi Asante Bediatuo.
Okay.
The stretch from the runabout all the way to the Hajj village, she say Kofi Asante Bediatuo.
But Sabani Beji.
No, you see. Tio, she say no. Ne kaka etutu no. Nyanko po atwa ne ka e wo ne bone ho. Kire ni nyansa ketu abi watiwa. Say Kofi. Enti wo di wiase agapade nyina e kwa he. You say oyere kra na titi kokoshi wanum. Ona ma wonsa na you say akwa akwan. Enye say bia me de ehuru no. But boni akatwa ni owuo. Na nti uta na wanwu a fesu enyansa. Yen a ye wo hosesie ya asebio nyame aye adom a NDC aban jo Mahama aban na aba appointments ahodo a ekoso obi anya bi obi nya bi obi bia fa Kofi Asante Bediatuo case study no entu ne hofo se unya wiase agapade nyina na wo hwere wo kra de mfa so na obenya. That's the question because where nanama sometimes
you know cry when you money family answer the wife on the mouth
Mama very typical example. My Akufo Addo amede Kweku back be Akufo Addo on the papa on from Roman Ridge. Is it Roman Ridge? Ridge
okay.
Ridge runabout all the way to Electoral Commission hall, going down all the way to your friend is saying baby MTN for ni nyina won ehun nyina Akufo Addo na ton ni nyina Kalafata akra tobi the soccer bet
Ridge runabout
from the Ridge runabout all the way to Electoral Commission
new Bank of Ghana
baby Bank of Ghana sa ehon ne aban sa se ba ko menu be se bi dedem but ehon nyina na Akufo Addo papa dia
ba wa otoni nyina
yes an aton ni hotel a odi jane ba hwe se nyanya me kra na ye adom na ka 2016 no onya tumia nenka waton efia wotim ani papa di jano
ese ayi ba kukura ayi ba yi bank yi si janshi yisu hey oh
Societe General
Societe General
se eno ringway
the malist kura yes
eno kura no me na menim papa fi Kumasi bank ehona na eda change bed sheet give me coffee and you are done room service pay or tonye in the name so the pay man penedi enti obusa wo ho se ewiase agapade edija ye ma Kweku ba ko ndi papa ohun echire ha he owned a lot away say away
omatunton
oh ye mfa agapade we nya ye ma properties bi wo Trasako ho ene Ajengano East Legon unim say omoma krampo mpe he say me na madane agent a me den kofo ko ene me be rent ade che me na madani agent ubi obakra kwotena bruchi kura sa anoma no ompe
okay
wotete obaye woman obanya e friend sen nimdie na se nyansa ta akira oba ma me pre oba omanya japade ese me pe otumase so eye menya wiase japade nyina na me hwere me kra menya mfaso
okay list of
briefly na me can't say that is not the only aspect of McDonough. I was say you're bringing it to justice. was a by Kai say, Wakojin Kofo Son Chine, a wada. Ya, O2. And China O2 Adano. A Quambiasono, ye ba, a Bemu Fufrona, no, I said that stage at Yebi. And what about 2 media, and you say, NDC for Barber Bron, and Kofo to the machine. Ah, make no, and Kofoni to machine in your cameras, you almost. Ah, NDC 422. NDC because of say obi a print in your monument no. A man 5 years so. The story is on the internet. You can look at it, and the party must come back at Magdan. So we can't try to party so. Say party name ma ababe to the machine hon yoma. Meanwhile on one stage is an yoma no. Shadia a course a friend said trade fair. Shenyoma Magdan dia yan konfo bronco for papa umutri ho age omo sase. Abai must get up to work. At least, if not for anything, Krana, Onje na omanema back to the chest of government. Senebeya in 3 months, Babenya home for so. Sen custom, Nankan Kromamba, a tongue or mine Japadie, afar. Nankan fan and Kobenya, SC, your friend is saying, foreign affairs. Okay, Professor Mills, Jekotanko Bichebilante, as I say, or Toya. Na nkode Kwaku hotel ama ono ne yire ne manu efi nti ensase ne wonu ma ebetimi di aye nti so obi aton abayasa onje na omanema back to the chest of government se ne beya enchirima so ba benya ho mfaso senka jon mahama baaye ne first term no na nkan kromamba aton oman na japade afa na nkan hefa na nkobenya asi ye friend sen foreign affairs. Okay, Professor Mills. Jekotanko Bichebilante, as I say, or Toya, Nankode Kwaku hotel, ama ono ne yire ne manu. Anna, omudi yes, our foreign affairs ministry is.
Dr. Tiamwa, list of the Ujano, back on Kwabe issue. Dog, yeah, I know they had briefly about this airport.
Oh, so one can come in here.
Quite enough. List.
Because Oko Amanonia, where recently China. Omo ye oma dwen say omo ankasa be create billionaires said the be ya omo bitimi am omo economy na ye strong enkanya ne bone so but ye de ide anko na wo aban wa ba say wo bo na chidom no enam so wa sponsor wo because e bi mu ho a ye sheda party bi mu ne ade omo ba no mu sheda gisika say ye ba ye be empower wo no be ye powerful said the be ya unsu betimi enya usika na wo de ma ye no so mfa so. Nti Magdan dey a clear example. Say ya empower no to the point say Cecilia wo sika ultimate to aban Japade fofofo. And watoto bebre anya no nko a enema bebre na akodi ne nsa say ka say ye komuna na menye sure say be free ha.
Ni nyina so Japade ni.
Yes, sa nyama ni nyina no linki obi ene kɔ no because that document no e coded.
Woni say document na me kan ya me photo so mo ye say o bema angel Kweku Annan ba Francisca omo mani nkobi ewa Japade
yes so omo cartel bi a omaye omo hwe na so omo say opese initially no omo assess so say o kan omo hu but omo hu say afei wadwen ye adwuma na afei assess ye you free ho because so omo na dwen ma ho na ye betimi atena omo mu ma nipa kakra bi adwen ma obi a ntimi nkoso ntimi de meka ne say Magdan de na yaje no eniji se ma oman no oman na adi nkunim ma ochena obi nsori no ma na radio so nka say witch hunting because sa niema no akoso ama obi di bone as individual akra na omampani bi ba na say also de ne family kwan so na ya ma asem na be foolish case because o start ya na ya hye ne party color no ya MPP ni nti na mo tata no na anyanya bia so obi so before no more man enkoso a say na o say make sure say ensa be kanu na ebiku no ye betu be yi because trust am ne kra kan Bible o say entra ho ma before entra say suffer not a witch to live enti so nipa ne so before there na yenso ye be koso ahante omo enti de me kan say obi bia asase ni bi wo ho no ye wadwen say John Dramani Mahama abeya waka his excellency say at time we are about chapter 2 on from media grow say quarter plot kra na waje no anye ne kwan pa so ayebeje because ye wo enwuma ko bebre an ko munya asase a nkom betre o munyuma mu enra se na metie bibi enye nsase nko awo aban nyumako STC omo bungalows na ye the high private person na empanyumfo free all regions be share national se Accra no be di dwuma ni asanso akọ hotels amomo abro mo bungalow a ombetima mampanyumfo na da ye the private man for
ni akase STC ni so
egu enti sa niema we ekoso a ema oman no entumpon because say anhwe ama ye ni anko ho no ma make sure say sa nipa na watimi high STC bungalow no adenti na wa high bungalow no ade STC mpanyumfo de omo ba no mutimi dam a enyeye adwuma na omo ya ma oman na adenti na o say high baby mo omo da ne ne ton ye de ma anko akon enti meka say sa niema ne de se de omampani eswai say obi bia and oral team no aye adwuma ye be fa akwanya iso abo omaba so ene honorable okujato adwuma wada team na no no maye because senye ho a nkasa amre amaga na ye paya sinema ye hu hwe enka obosha omampani ahye nyina no nka niam bebre ho no ma ye ntimi nye ne nam sa anamo a omampani tu ye no megidi se by the time of 4 years beso no Ghana fo be hu se ampa ye ba se ye ba be ko agiga na asi ho no mo na nye se ye be chema ye nuamo se ye nidi na yafunu mu nyama
we mu ede di se onabo okujeto obrapa in position eniama no waka na nya agro ena no wodi
se
because airport no enyama dan kwa de no de ba ko bi by somewhere in 2023 eno na waka se Heaven Builders Limited and so no ye leasing airport land 38.14 acres of asase e dia ma Heaven Builders Limited ye dia ma wo mu se che se ayase bata
obekọ akọhwe no na sika otu aye no 1 cedi
na $85 million but in exchange for the company's help with road construction and provision of some amenities
na construction no
airport eduma area se airport roads ye be ya
enka me tweme ho kakra no nenka ne man kasakra nenka eye because if I go back to my old self, if you don't take care, because just 7 months old, it needs 7 months. Because when you have a minority leader, when you have a minority leader, and within 3-4 years, and within 3-4 years, then 4 months, no, and you say bia, omu lose with 50% na NDC nya, omunya bia 48, be 49, NDC nya 51, and I say it was so close, 57-38. Then you have this minority leader too bold to slap a policeman. Yeah. You have these people feeling like yes. No. Just 5 months, 6 months ago, you can't touch Jubilee House crying Chamoho, yanya demonstration. Jubilee House Okrano, yanya demonstration. Just 5-6 months ago, Jubilee House was yanya demonstration. No, you can't. Yen Chamoho. You can't. But that's fine. Because, one, say Obibechem ewo Jubilee House. Say demonstrators before. And yet unlawful. There is nothing illegal about that. And MPP in opposition Still, I will be answer. I will insist there is nothing illegal about that. In the soccer chairman say, oh, you're resetting. And your man illegality no today. And you make sure that those illegal acts from the government will not be repeated. I'll go with you. I will agree. But slapping a policeman is illegal. It's criminal. And this all catch them say you are doing resetting. Resetting, they say anybody can slap a policeman and go scot-free. You are a fool. You are stupid. You are a stupid person to tell me that. Between Oni Abua and Sunsria Bianim, just say, would be who Yasa Tia Bianisha Wanum. Asa? What do you mean? If something is illegal, I'm not sure so Obibo police near illegal for him to be dealt with. And illegal. So Obi Ekochem demonstrators Ekochem Jubilee House or marche around Jubilee House. Even with MPP time, MPP will position. I would disagree for NDC to stop them. Though they did to Ghanaians. Won't mean ya only say Akufo Addo 8 years. Won't mean ya demonstration for 37. Yeah, you don't cross 37. Even if you anymore arise Ghana, your first demonstration problem omni enya your first. I said na ye betwam woni fie animu ansa na yakwakofa your friend say Kimbuo e de yakwakofa parliament ababa be pie Jubilee House no ye no kro so mo ntiase eni kwai say demonstrators efa Akufo Addo fie animu woni ma because near person almost see fie ani nkyere Accra Central yes you see you buba ne say yes but me nyinin da ensi da say MPP what power and any NDC leader in parliament will slap a policeman and go scot-free. No way. I don't want none of you ensi da within 3 months. Salam way at the radio so at the TV so catch this for say they will make sure Ghana becomes ungovernable. MPP we need 2017 for 1 year. Na NDC intimin kasa ukruma for 1 year. Even ye group no a big Ghanaian NDC leadership bebre kadem it took us that time and muntie FM no it took us myself Listowa na that time honto na a host right say na honto na na host Kojo Kyeremanteng Charles McCarthy na Mugabe de wadom okobo mu be 1 year ansa na woba and these leaders ni bebre kwa dem from 2017 later na Samejemfi ebeka ye ho no munya enyi no as a national communication officer later no so ATC mu and that was where NDC discovered him. You know but the core and this leadership no more academ. Well, Ubia Kashi. Okay, almost my enka. But I don't know. Ebusuya su. Ebusuya. 2 political parties no. tribal marks. Yeah, ebinom are timid, and they are afraid of the others, and they respect them. They seek validation from them. When you say and this need to party, na say wa man people for ma ho a just any party ni nye. Some people for kono find this ni anka omo ho a on feel good. They always seek validation from their accounts. Yeah. They look so timid. They can't do anything. No. When it comes like you use I didn't find idea a kaba. When you bugasem and you bugasem. Nenka 3-4 months we know. And kwaya nke nipa de MPP for afaso no and it will never cross their mind. Then campesa bedru say Afenyo Markin ebe police ni asum. It will never. They are lucky. Afenyo ni MPP for ne John Bodunum, they are lucky. And that is why where they have faced Kofi Buachino, I've never wanted to talk about this. Just a name quantity and then me person me jumano. Cause one hand makoka de yanka. Why you lucky? MPP for you lucky. They are lucky. They are damn lucky. We don't yame. A fabe be born 3 months, 4 months. Me say come more my dream second then come be see abontin. Today. Can people see abontin? It will never cross their mind. Then come pese. What about you unsa? Ashe a police ni asum. Boom. Ashe na asum. And you are so happy. No match ko Supreme Court. Say me budain Ato form. Nya se nipa no ane ni di agro no obuwa. You will not do that. NDC for 1 year. For 1 year. NDC yenja omo na omo embu oman no. We need to give them space. Enipa no ane ni di agro no ombu. Opesa ofoso ho amani bu. Ombu. Enipa no ane ni di agro no ombu. You want to still force yourself, say ombu. Why? When a person show you disrespect, show him 10-fold, 10, 20, 30-fold. That is where the person will sit down. That no. And I know gabby or darko frere obia and this the ordinary dim koma nyina say this for cry me now for na den aneme kontoka see. Nti nipa no ono ya de na so hunu say as a adwene insisu at any given opportunity na did you at him. Me first but na mentim niema bebre ase within these 3-4 months I come to understand everything. Say my tibi bia ase nti o kasatia Afenyo tomorrow you become his enemy, then he has his friends going. Now when your problem the mighty minority ebe bo mo abaso kwa me ka sepe friends Stevia mo there no. And I heard Stevia mo say ono ma John Mahama warning. Oh brady nyankopo Steven, why lucky oh? Why lucky? Na afabone. Afabo be bonne pa. Because I dare no one patrim say kwaya de mba faso okroma. Mesin kan simu enka man people trimu da. Say nepa on be sia bontin. Allah. Today Afenyo kenipa be ye na dia ma Afenyo me say enka be politics justice befuno because me MPP 8 years me famfa me san kwoto obia bianim no aka say uye me say ya me so meka say di abo omo so no omo yi kipo BNI na Afenyo aba is that Afenyo one of the NPP leadership kipo a omo yi na ye nwanwa pa say ono na yesa na omo nipa no omo ni yese ni say MPP for no betimi atreche nkrofo omo ne omo ye niema o. Sometimes it gives you that idea like okay so salam hey na MPP winning who dare you so be ka tell Akufo Addo say Ghana will be ungovernable and you see when him at the cry ekoso media me hu bi pen ontimi nya hwe omontimi nya hwe ontimi nya hwe some of us 2016 NDC eko opposition no na ye wo ho ye ni me crazy ye third month yes swear Atamils in 2008 and 9 January March 15th and then the MPP here almost first press conference one time say ya no start on first almost me are consistent with dede say kum mills kum mills we no 10 year to John Mahama say your president Becca no clear that time some of us near we have access to him we kept on telling him that chief and Crawford way young Crawford we know how they operate. Oh, they can't do anything. Leave them. That time, na me the late Ativo onyame for the currency. Na ye see radio station who Global FM. Na me ne Ativo bia hey madam. Crawford way the way I'm show homo they are finished. They are killing themselves. Oh, leave them. The shenisa masre. And the NDC co opposition 2016. Some of us near we saw it. And we can see shadows at play. Jato anyafe. Oh, Jato anyafe. Jato anyafe. I see in Ghana history. Onyashe. Oh, Jano. Ontimi nyashe. Jano. Ontimi nyashe. Jano. Ontimi nyashe. Apine. Wouldn't me say me no ka say MPP for Suman Crawford na Montri so ono mu di nkoma no mo abusa o wouldn't say samre ku betimi asi I don't know wa encounter sa omo nkomo ni bi no you understand this say nkomo mo di no okrompa no ono mu di nkoma and wouldn't say ku betimi asi say the oman yi koi die say the oman yi koi die. Sometimes I get sad. The 57% na enye kwa o. The 57% na enye kwa. Na enye joke. Enye joke. Enye say na Ghana for ebia there be enye joke. Afenyo being in Sabo police ni asum and throwing his weight around. Yeah. On kwaya jaji question. Omo fa so train ase. Ye de ani bre. And a call your friend say asin north, right? Ye de ani bre. Na kwa asin north. Kwame, I'm telling you. Myself minimum bia there. I know about Lisowa, I know about Honto. And as I was saying, not a single NDC leadership ne one city. Say Bobiemo ko eyasi asin north. Ye de any brother society niema ebni a box boy echi. Usia Chief Bina Busano. Ye kotrem kromo be 1 week meboa ansa na abato ne baso na ye go krom ho ye kwae no Central Regional Chairman ye ko ni fie once se na dokro no ayo sadie yo mi dig dokro obi anim kwae fa so tra krom ho 1 week o. We stayed there, we fought hard. Omunya jachi question kwae omdi jachi question fa so no. Unim sekasa ni ed bebre ya ombese da na police were invite Afenyo si atra na no asem eno anu no. We know the end game. But Afenyo mo ya lucky samia oku ya bu na nyame ase muni munsa wohoro mun na nyame ase mun da nyame ase pa nyame agemo esanse me minim daachi asem muntino eya na me nka daachi asem. I don't want to go back to the videos ebema me homi atimo akwabi ya see a friend koka o said say police ni bi ono demonstrate ono be bu police ni no. What do you fear? Anybody, whatever it is, why not you say obegu anymore? What do you fear? No, what do you fear? What do you fear? MPP a party is so strong. Gwenum say koka or no koka. Me share video no ba kubi. E ho am say dum no because na me ho wo so obabo police ni bi obabo bono. Ah! Yeah. Ya kwa rise Ghana unim the police for the boy boba boba den no mo hata no ya no mo de boy. Former President Rawlings Kasimbi was when the enemy pulls a gun and you pull a gun, that is where you sit down and talk about peace. Afenyo Markin Pasiawi, this foolish boy Afenyo Markin, this foolish boy. Bibi anyame Tanzania and this need the address Afenyo Markin do Osika so what? Pasia boy we. Say society na ye you who pesca. Yeah. Everywhere. The society na ye you who pesca. So people don't care even to sleep with snakes and crocodiles. If only it's about money. Why you know when you be a ye kwa unkobi. Mami susunka na kofa asema amreme.
Yo, if for winning and somewhere about better, you so make out say so when you subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, what like video, give us a thumbs up, now fee share my work for so now when you be here now and somewhere also Ghana memoir. Also bit me otchere wadwin afaye and some way you know comment box mobati minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.